Hi, English 1302, week 5. I want to make another real quick video because a lot of people seem to be having questions about the R2 rough draft. It's really not meant to be a complicated assignment. It's just a chance to get some initial thoughts down on paper. It's only worth 20 points, roughly 2 discussion grades. It's only going to be about 2 pages long or so. You can put some research in it if you want to. You don't have to. Grammar, spelling, punctuation won't count. I just want to kind of make sure you get started on this assignment. You don't want to wait until October the 19th to begin on this one. So sometime before Sunday, October the 6th, this Sunday, you're going to submit using the Turnitin app on Blackboard. um, a 2 page rough draft over one of 2 topics. What are the main? Now, your paper does have to be clearly on topic. Okay, it can be rambling thoughts about the topic. It can be just kind of wandering around, kind of discussing whatever comes to mind. But it does have to be on the topic, and it has to keep coming back to the topic. If you're like me, when you start writing things, you tend to wander off a little bit, like this conversation is going, and so keep pulling yourself back. You don't have to organize your thoughts into paragraphs, but if you'll strive to do that, it'll make it easier to organize your thoughts and it'll make the process easier going forward. So let's take a look at the topics. You can either write about what are the main reasons why college or higher education in America isn't free. And I don't mean like some community colleges are free, and the fact that if you have a 3.0 and you have this and that, and you've lived in this county for so many years, then you get tuition reimbursement. Not like that. I mean, why isn't it like high school where you just show up and you can go? Is it a tradition thing? Is it a value thing? Are college presidents, our college governing boards really worried that the quality of student will go down? Um, but of course, if all college is free, surely the pool of students would remain unchanged, I would imagine. But I'm asking you what you think. Or you could write about the benefits of a gap year. Now remember, you got to focus on the benefits. What are the positives? What is the upside of taking one solid year off, not to earn money, but just to think about yourself, to let your brain develop, to focus on your talents and your abilities. How can you best serve your community or the world? What kind of job are you best suited for? What kind of jobs are out there? The average college student changes majors several times during a 4 or 5 year academic career. So, would it be beneficial to take a year off and kind of explore your options before that? Um, Again, this is very common in other parts of the world, especially uh, England and Middle Europe. We see this happening a lot, but it's kind of rare here in the United States. And so I'm just asking you, what do you think the benefits would be? Now, once you've turned in your rough draft, then you're going to want to start doing some formal research. And I have a PowerPoint and a video dealing exclusively with that. Um, but for right now, yeah, just start getting some ideas down on paper. Start, uh, you know, expressing your thoughts in a somewhat coherent manner. I'm looking for an opportunity to give you 20 points on this project. The final paper will be worth 80 points, so the whole project is worth 100 points. I want you to do well, but as we all know, good writing takes time. So give yourself enough time to do a good job, get started on this project, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. If you have any questions, drop me an email, jfly@southplainscollege.edu. Don't forget to tell me in the subject line which class you're from.